Hello everyone, welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. Central Bank of India zone-based officer. So, what are the important topics we need to cover? What are the roles and responsibilities of zone-based officer? And based on the previous interviews regarding this, what type of important topics and questions we need to prepare? I am going to give you the complete brief within this small video. तो इस पूरे वीडियो को आखिरी तक देखिए ताकि आपको एक क्लियर आइडिया मिल जाए क्या क्या टॉपिक आपको कवर करने चाहिए, क्या रोल्स रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज फंक्शन हो सकते हैं आपके एज अ जोन बेस्ड ऑफिसर. तो इसके बारे में बात करेंगे और कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट डिटेल्स भी शेयर करूंगा. बिफोर दैट the important information about the batches of interview. Central Bank of India zone based officer personalized interview batch is available on the GuideT platform. Along with that एक separate batch है हमारा for the credit officer because both interviews are going to be completely different from each other. दोनों interviews का काफी different aspect है, काफी different areas में आपके interviews run होंगे because credit officer is completely different profile. So because of that 90% questions are going to be on the lending side और loan recovery. उसके बारे में बात करूंगा एक अलग वीडियो में that what is the difference between the profile of ZBO and credit officer. एक separate वीडियो में उसके बारे में आपको पूरी information दे दूंगा. चलिए अभी बात करते हैं. सबसे पहले ZBO में requirement है आपका रीजनल लैंग्वेज का. वेरी सिमिलर टू रिसेंटली द इंटरव्यूज व्हिच आर कंडक्टेड फॉर LBO, local bank officer. So this ZBO is exactly very similar to LBO. If you will do Google that what are the roles and responsibilities of ZBO, you will get that ZBO is a very high level officer who is going to manage branches, all the branches which are located in the zone, allocated in the particular zone. After that, that person need to coordinate with the branch for the marketing purpose and all. Actually, zone based officer, if you will search directly, it is going to confuse you. Actually, zone based officer you need to search at scale 1. So it is very similar to LBO, local bank officer. तो बहुत कुछ local bank officer या बैंक PO के जो रोल्स एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज हैं वही आपके कॉमन रोल्स और रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होंगे ZBO पोजीशन पर भी. ठीक है. सो they said about LPT, language proficiency test will be conducted before the interview. Again, very similar to like it was conducted in LBO interview phases for Union Bank of India or for Indian Bank or for UCO Bank. अभी recently जो interviews हुए उसमें LPT conduct हुआ. Here, it is clearly mentioned that those who will be able to produce 10th or 12th any one mark sheet along with the regional language as a subject. So, for example, you have applied in a particular state. For example, you have applied in Gujarat and you have gone through with the Gujarati language in the class 10th or class 12th. Then you are not required to go through with the LPT. उस केस में आपको LPT के लिए नहीं जाना है. Similar to that, if you have applied in Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, any state, whatever the state you have applied with. So if you have gone through with the regional language, either in class 10th or 12th, your LPT will not be conducted. Other people need to go for the LPT. उनको बाकी लोगों को LPT के लिए जाना होगा. ठीक है. अभी यहाँ पर वेटेज की बात करें, so 70% वेटेज will be given to the marks which you have scored in your written examination, which you are not going to get till the final selection. अभी आपको पता नहीं चलेगा कि आपके मार्क्स कितने हैं, but 70% weightage will be given to the written examination, 30% will be the weightage for interview. अच्छा, इंटरव्यू में इन्होंने कहा है कि 4 times of the total candidates will be called. It means the probability of getting selected will be 1/4. On every seat they will be calling 4 person. Out of that 1 will be selected. तो 1/4 आपका probability हो गया. अब सबसे पहले आपको क्या करना है वो चेक कर लीजिए. Start with the website of Central Bank of India. Why you are going for the interview? In both the cases, either you are going for credit officer or you are going for ZBO. In both the cases, you need to go through and complete the full profile of Central Bank of India in detail. कि आपका हर एक aspect आपने Central Bank of India का cover किया हो. Along with that, when it was started, what was the achievement, in which year it was nationalized, what is the current number of branches in India, how many ATMs bank is holding in India, what is the last quarter report, what is the net profit, ग्रॉस एनपीए, नेट एनपीए, कासा रेशियो, सीडी रेशियो ऑफ द बैंक. वो पूरा एनालिसिस आपको रेडी करके रखना है रिगार्डिंग सेंट्रल बैंक ऑफ इंडिया इन बोथ द इंटरव्यूज. आइदर क्रेडिट ऑफिसर और ZBO दोनों इंटरव्यू के लिए आपको ये कवर करना है. अलॉन्ग विद दैट, recently Central Bank of India was awarded with a few awards. Like one of them was most preferred workplace for the women 2024-25 award was given to the Central Bank of India by Team Marksman Network Private Limited. So one organization have awarded Central Bank of India by this. Second thing, on the Central Bank of India website, you will be able to see the awareness campaign regarding the APK scam alert. That fake APKs will be downloaded to your mobile phone to make this mirror image of your mobile phone on some other devices, and after that complete access to your mobile phone will be taken by the scammers, and you may lose all your money. So ये APK fraud जो है इससे related awareness campaign run कर रहा है Central Bank of India. On the website also they are running all these advertisement. Then recently Central Bank of India conducted the hackathon on cyber security. So at least last 3 months current affairs news where the Central Bank of India was in news that you need to cover. I am not talking about the all last 3 month news. वो interview के लिए नहीं करना है. For interview if you have covered the last 10 days current affairs, that is important, that is enough. 10 दिन का करंट अफेयर्स पढ़ लो आप इंटरव्यू से पहले 10 दिन का, दैट इज इनफ. बट सेंट्रल बैंक ऑफ इंडिया न्यूज लास्ट 2 to 3 मंथ्स का आपके पास कवर होना चाहिए. नाउ मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस की बात करें, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नीड टू कवर सेंट्रल बैंक ऑफ इंडिया लास्ट क्वार्टर रिपोर्ट and all the important products launched by Central Bank of India, net profit, then gross NPA, net NPA, as I have already told you. Second question related to profile, that what is your graduation, why you want to come to the banking job, what about your family, what's your name, what is the meaning of your name, the city you belongs to, any type of GI tag given to your city, any type of Ramsar site located in your city, and how many Ramsar sites are there in your state. So state city related questions along with your profile, your family background related to that you need to cover. Third, general banking operations. See, based on the ZBO profile you are going to deal with the general banking operations, like even initially you will be able to deal with the deposits also. Then most of the tasks which you are going to perform will be very similar to the task performed by a bank PO, like issuance, clearance of check, issuance of demand draft, managing the locker facility, clearance of NEFT, RTGS, IMPS. All these things will be your task which you are going to perform as your desk job. As the field job, you need to connect with the new customer to increase the business of your bank branch. Along with that, you also need to go into the market to do the loan recovery. तो वो भी आपको काम मिल सकता है because it is going to be a multitasking profile. Then updates in the banking industry. What are the recent update in the banking industry, especially Reserve Bank of India? RBI related updates. What are the announcement RBI recently made regarding ATM? After that, what is the recent update in the Monetary Policy Committee, MPC में क्या updates हुए हैं, so that you need to cover for in the recent update part. Third, news of national importance and news of international importance. What is the impact going on in the Indian economy or in the international media? What are the news going on after the Kashmir attack? Along with that, what is the impact on the Indian economy because of the tariff imposed by USA? तो ऐसे जो क्वेश्चंस होंगे आपके नेशनल इंटरनेशनल न्यूज के वो आपको कवर करने हैं. व्हाट आर द रोल्स एंड रिस्पांसिबिलिटीज ऑफ ZBO? मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट आपको क्वेश्चंस बता रहा हूं 5, मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट 5. You should practice all these 5 questions properly. Question number 1, what are the roles and responsibilities of LBO? So guys, if you will do Google, as I have told you, it is going to show you zone based officer is a big officer managing lots of branches, but it is incorrect. It is a scale 1 officer who is going to work exactly same like a bank PO on a multiple different profile or a type of multitasking officer in the bank branch. तो वो काम होगा ZBO का. Second, why you want to join banking industry or why you want to join Central Bank of India? कि भाई Central Bank of India क्यों join करना है? Why as a ZBO? When you will be appointed as a ZBO, what are the roles and responsibilities you are going to hold? Why you want to join public sector bank only? Why not private bank? Private bank join क्यों नहीं करना when you want to come to the banking industry? अच्छा आंसर रेडी करिएगा. Then what do you know about the Central Bank of India? तो all the details regarding Central Bank of India. How do banks generate profit? What are the primary and secondary functions of bank? तो आप मान के चलिए 5 में से एक क्वेश्चन आपको डेफिनेटली मिलेगा आपके इंटरव्यू में भी. So prepare these 5 questions properly. Start with these 5 questions actually. Then in the banking awareness, you need to prepare the important topic like types of deposit, types of banking, types of ATM, lending facilities in India, how to increase the business of a loss-making branch where you will be appointed as a ZBO, NPA recovery process, digital banking frauds, ये already मैंने batch में cover कर रखा है, use of artificial intelligence in banking industry, what is the name of the AI tool that is launched by Central Bank of India. ऐसे क्वेश्चन बन जाएंगे. चेक सिस्टम, पेमेंट सेटलमेंट, NEFT, RTGS, IMPS, UPI, USSD, UPI circle, UPI Lite, UPI 1 2 3 पे complete payment settlement you need to cover. After that, situation based question like you have been appointed as a ZBO and one customer came to your branch and he started shouting because of certain facility he was requesting for from long back and that is not yet activated, how you are going to manage this situation. If the footfall is more in your bank branch, आपको एक ऐसा branch मिलता है जहां पर customer handling बहुत ज्यादा है, footfall ज़्यादा है, there is a long queue, how you are going to manage such type of situation. So situation based question where they will try to analyze that how your analytical skills are. This is my Telegram group, guys. So if you want to have any type of discussion, if you have any confusion regarding your profile or you want any support from me for these upcoming interviews, so directly you can connect with me with the support of this Telegram group. If you have already joined the batch, this is my Telegram ID, Aditya Sir GA. This is my Telegram ID. So you can connect with me directly. I will add you to your respective Telegram group. So two different batches are there. Both are different profile, different type of questions you will be able to expect in the interview. Apart from only common area is Central Bank of India. तो कॉमन पार्ट होगा सेंट्रल बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, उसके क्वेश्चंस दोनों इंटरव्यू में होंगे. इसके अलावा प्रोफाइल अलग है, क्वेश्चंस का पैटर्न अलग हो जाएगा. क्रेडिट ऑफिसर विल बी अ प्रोफाइल जहां पर मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस होंगे रिलेटेड टू एसेट्स ऑफ बैंक, आइदर एसेट्स क्रिएशन और एसेट्स रिकवरी. तो उससे रिलेटेड आपके पास क्वेश्चंस होंगे इन द क्रेडिट ऑफिसर. सो नेक्स्ट वीडियो आई विल बी डूइंग ओवर ZBO and credit officer. What is the difference between them? Was that, so you will get an idea about this. Thank you for joining and watching this session. I'll be meeting you back in the next video soon. Till that time, keep watching IT guys. Take care. Jai Hind. All the best.